What is the secret behind a project yayo kwene kebuno nyale kwa gusira abantu? By the way, it's not the first time mheshimiwa tora gikira na bandega tora ogenda toko bagusira. Inkige ko kungusa ko ikira.
Eke etigango ngusema ga ko muralia miss.
Yes.
In Chekana soete politics. One na maita cannot be rich. Tingo tenenga se siasa. Mone ye county. We barely earn 120,000.
Yes.
120,000. Bunanta get kobo monto motenengu. Andasta yora ibe balibata yangu ibatole. There is no place yora ibe chiba chesere kai. Nkete binga number 1. Tato ngibulete na abeto mo MCA.
Yes.
Abeto mo councillor for several years. Akaba mo MCA 2013 to 2017. Ekeraru wororo. Na bugate enkole gonsuma ngana ngini ntete ko savu abantu bane.
Yes.
Andi go ikansavu mbune record yae mbune no ne record yoli na rusiora. So what I'm doing na saying enjonga my aim tell you say ogo set through a start articulate.
Yeah.
My aim is one day to grow politically. And to grow politically we can empower my people so that every korubia nebioka we justify why I want to grow in politics. Well, I have made a commitment. Nimbwate small foundation. Motume Foundation.
Yes.
What I do, I have few friends to assemble nabo abandi barebo wancho kuyakora from communities to identify through a team yane abantu barabataka gose batayikwenyara mono batavuga ati enyomba. You can't believe ohete mechora santo amengete you will shed tears. Abantu bavuga ati mechande mengi. Wokorare ro moito buo wokorare nyombe ebwate ya condition bune.
Yes.
So as a leader we come tayari will sacrifice most of your resources for other people. Wono every month ngoro sinde nyombe yemeyemo as a guardian every month baka ngoro obora ibwana ne nyombe yego cost about 60,000. As we speak umutinyu yotara I'm doing a nyomba sublocation chia na enye una naro siya most application A next month B na agenda na core and na chaka fresh. That's what I'm doing. Igonga I'm trying by the next 4 or 5 years yekera nkuru obora igose which go face electorates bane.
Yes.
Kunkuba batebi what I've managed to do in the last 5 years. Na go justify why I seek for re-election. Biyamono.